chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's cleaning video, I'm just doing my usual Saturday weekend reset clean. Matt usually works on Saturdays and I usually try to take this day to clean up the house and get it ready for the rest of the weekend. I have some serious messes that I need to clean up from this week, so if you're needing some motivation just like I was on this morning, get up and get cleaning. You can clean right alongside with me, or feel free to play this video, sit back, relax, and just enjoy the music.
For motivation, just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier.
We live in a really new area and I feel like I'm constantly dusting and constantly cleaning our floors. I don't know if you guys have the same problem, but yeah, there's just so much dust, so much dirt coming in the windows. Not all of the roads in this neighborhood are finished yet, so there's just so much construction dust.
Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
If you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Jillian. I am a wife and cat mom that lives here in Canada. I make lots of these cleaning motivation videos on my channel, so if you like that sort of content, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here, and I post new videos every single week. I always like to go into the weekend with a cleaned up fridge and a restocked fridge, so that's what I'm doing here.
Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. 'Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could.
Another task that I try to do every week is just cleaning up my garbage can, just again getting things ready for the new week and making sure that those messes don't build up from week to week.
I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but now I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending
tried using my Thieves soft scrub. You'll see me using it in this clip on my stovetop, and it worked really well. I don't know why I didn't think to use this before, but I put the description for how to make it in the description box below.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, fire, fire.
This scrub does have baking soda in it, which can leave a film on your glass stove top, so just make sure that you use an all-purpose cleaner to clean up all of that residue.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag.
Comment down below, do you guys refill your coffee maker at night before you go to bed or in the morning? I always do mine the day before so that it's ready to go in the morning when I need some coffee.
With our hands in the air, when our new dawn is rising, to the break of dawn. You can't keep me in a cage made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say. I'm not buying no mirage of suburban life when there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on earth and the summer of love while you're sleeping on pills through the war. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is to the break of dawn. When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road.
Vacuuming the floors down here is obviously fun. They get nice and clean, but if you want to see some true vacuum lines, stay tuned to closer to the end of this video where I'm going to vacuum our upstairs carpet and it makes some really awesome vacuum lines.
We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? When you're
Editing this video was so funny because it was nearing Lola's dinner time, so she was following me around the house, and you can just see her sitting aimlessly in the back of all of these clips, patiently waiting for me to feed her dinner.
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you.
I don't know if any of you have the same problem, but we can never seem to find sheets that we like. My husband complains that they fall off the bed and get all scrunched up, and I really don't notice, but he has a serious issue with them. So if you guys have any recommendations for really good sheets that stay on and stay put, then comment down below and let me know what your favorite sheets are.
I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is for real.
Okay, you guys, as promised, we're gonna finish off this video by vacuuming this upstairs carpet, and then that is all I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. It really helps my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, like I said, I post new videos every single week, and I would love to have you join this little community that I'm forming on this YouTube channel. So please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week.
In a movie line.